A closer look 1. 1. Write the names for the people who belong to these places. Then listen and repeat the words.
Unit 8. Page 18. A closer look 1. Vocabulary. Activity 1. Write the names for the people who belong to these places. Then listen and repeat the words.
1. The USA, the Americans. 2. England, the English. 3. Scotland, the Scottish, the Scots. 4. Wales, the Welsh. 5. Ireland, the Irish. 6. Canada, the Canadians. 7. Australia, the Australians. 8. New Zealand, the New Zealanders.
5. Listen and repeat the words.
Unit 8. Page 18. A closer look 1. Pronunciation. Activity 5. Listen and repeat the words.
1. Cantonese. 2. Taiwanese. 3. Japanese. 4. Portuguese. 5. Employee. 6. Adoptee. 7. Addressee. 8. Interviewee.
6. Mark the stress in the underlined words. Then listen and repeat the sentences.
Unit 8. Page 18. A closer look 1. Pronunciation. Activity 6. Mark the stress in the underlined words. Then listen and repeat the sentences.
1. 1/5 of the people in the world are Chinese.
2. A refugee is a person who is forced to leave a country.
3. My daughter is a trainee.
4. Japanese is the language of Japan.
5. This printer has a 2-year guarantee.